This is Earth. Yep, this is where you live, your home, your neighborhood. But wait, let's zoom out a bit. This is the solar system. Curious about the distance to the moon? It might seem like a hop, skip, and a jump, but think again. At their farthest point, Earth and the moon are a whopping 252,088 miles apart. Inside that distance, you could fit every planet in our entire solar system. Pretty wild, right? Now let's talk planets. Ever heard of the Great Red Spot on Jupiter? It's so massive, it could easily swallow Earth twice. And Saturn? It's about 9 times wider than Earth and its rings. Some fragments are as huge as mountains, but none of this compares to the real star of the show, our Sun. Pause and take a moment. This is Earth, from the Moon, from Mars, from just behind Saturn's rings, and even from Neptune, a staggering 4 billion miles away. And speaking of big numbers, 1 billion seconds equals over 31 years. Still with me? Let's back up for a second and put things in perspective. Here's Earth compared to the size of our Sun. Terrifying, right? And just to blow your mind even more, here's that same Sun as it looks from the surface of Mars. Carl Sagan once said, "The total number of stars in the universe is greater than all the grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth." But here's the kicker. Some stars out there make our Sun look tiny. Take VY Canis Majoris, for example. It's a star about 2,000 times the diameter of our Sun. But wait, there's more. What about galaxies? The Milky Way, where we live, is around 100,000 light-years wide. In miles, about 621 quadrillion miles. And in all of that, you live in this tiny little slice of the galaxy. But guess what? The Milky Way is nothing compared to some other galaxies. For example, NGC 674 is a spiral galaxy that's twice the size of the Milky Way, 200,000 light-years across. Can you even fathom that? And here's where it gets truly mind-boggling. Take a look at this image taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Thousands of galaxies, each with billions of stars, all with their own planets. Some of the objects in this image were formed over 11 billion years ago, just 3 billion years after the Big Bang. So, next time you're bummed out about your favorite show being cancelled, or if the Christmas music starts playing way too early, just remember this. This is your home, Earth. In the vast, mind-blowing universe, this is where you belong. Isn't that something?